plano mong bumili ng sarili mong bahay or condo. And part nung process na ito is yung pagtatabi or pag-save ng down payment natin either through your savings account, checking account, RRSP or TFSA or other investments. And last time na chinek mo, napansin mo na baka enough na yung naipon mo na pera para sa down payment dun sa pinaplano mong bilhin na bahay or condo. And ang challenge kasi, minsan, sa sobrang busy natin, ang hirap kumuha or mag-set ng time para pumunta sa bangko and makipag-meet doon sa mortgage specialist nila or tumawag sa isang mortgage broker para ma-start yung mortgage pre-approval. Now, alam nyo bang merong app na pwede nyong gamitin para makita kung how much kayo magko-qualify? Panoorin nyo itong video na to at ituturo ko sa inyo. So, pumunta lang kayo dun sa App Store and then hanapin nyo yung Canadian Mortgage app. After that, punta kayo dun sa pre-qualification and then click Start New. And then you can now get pre-qualified on your phone. So you just answer a few easy questions and estimate your maximum purchase price without a credit check. So let's get started. Where do you plan to buy? Sabihin natin, Toronto. Click, ilagay nyo lang sa search box, Toronto, Ontario. And then click next. Are you a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident? Lagay nyo yes kung Canadian citizen kayo or permanent resident. Are you a first-time home buyer? Lagay natin yes. Are you buying a house or a condo? So each property type has different maintenance and tax requirements. Let's say house. So how do you plan to use this property? Kung I plan to live there, kung titira kayo, kung paparent nyo yung basement, or if you will fully rent it out. So let's say I plan to live there. So ito na, tinatanong na kung how much yung total funds nyo for a down payment. Let's say, nakapag-save na kayo ng 50,000. Click next. Do you have any outstanding debt? So lahat dito nakalagay, naka-itemize na kung credit card, line of credit, personal loan, car loan, student loan, and even spousal or child support, ilagay nyo lang dito. Let's, for the sake ng video na to, para mabilis, ilagay na lang natin na I have no debt. So, sa trabaho, are you employed, self-employed, or pension? Let's say employed. So, it's asking you yung gross household income nyo before taxes. Let's say you make around, kayo ng asawa mo combine, let's say you make around 150,000 a year. Click next. How would you rate your credit? Just to simplify, lagay na lang natin na very good. And it's now loading. Alright, done. So it says here, you are pre-qualified for 633,000. Purchase price. Ang monthly cost nyo, makikita nyo dito yung breakdown. Mortgage payment, property tax, and then heat. Meron din option dito na i-edit nyo yung expenses. So home price, 633. Down payment is 38,000. Mortgage insurance, 23,788. Mortgage amount, 594,709. And then yung closing cost that you would need para i-close yung during sa lawyer, para mailipat yung title sa pangalan nyo. Ito yung kailangan na closing costs. Breakdown, makikita nyo dito yung breakdown ng mortgage. Dito yung mortgage payment, yung mortgage interest rate, amortization is 25 years, and then yung stress test na ginamit para i-qualify kayo, insured, loan to value is 93.95%. And then yung GDS, TDS, ito yung gross debt servicing ratio, and then yung total debt servicing ratio. Ito yung income nyo divided by yung mga liabilities nyo. So we will go deeper in sa mga susunod na videos. So that's it. I hope this video helps you. And then if you have any questions, just feel free to message me or contact me at 416-670-8598. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.